Hi guys, and I just want to show you the blizzard that's outside my house. Covered in snow, but these are my snowmen. That one. There's the first one's my dad, the second one's my mom, and the last one is me. So, yeah. The rooftops are there. I mean, it's really, really big. And if you look over here, it's a lot of snow. I've actually shoveled up 3 houses. Not 3. I almost shoveled up 2, but I made some money from doing that. And yeah, you can actually see all the snowflakes coming down and stuff like that. Yeah, so just wanted to show you that. Bye.